morning, dear students. I am your English teacher from Premchand Memorial Public School. Today I am here to teach you English Reader Lesson 2, Tom Sawyer. So students, as you all know that we have started this chapter, now we will move on. Seeing Tom, Ben stopped, stared a moment and then said, "Hi, you are punished, aren't you?" Ben stopped seeing Tom when Tom was whitewashing the fence, and he looked at Tom for a moment and then he said, "Hi, you are punished." Then he asked to Tom that you are punished. Tom gave no answer. Tom surveyed his work with the eye of an artist. Ben came and stood beside him. Tom stuck to his work, though his mouth was watering for the apple. Tom gave no answer to Ben, and he observed his work artistically. Ben came and stood near Tom and sat beside him. Okay? Tom stuck to his work. Tom was busy in his work while his mouth was watering for the apple which Ben was eating. Ben said, "Hello, old chap. You have got to work, huh?" Then Ben said to Tom, "Hello, old friend. You are working, huh?" "Why, it's you, Ben. I didn't notice you." Then Tom said to Ben that, "Why? I did not notice you. I am going swimming. Don't you wish you would come? But of course you are working." Then Ben said to Tom that, "I am going for swimming. You also wish for coming, but how can you come? You are working." Tom contemplated Ben for a while and then said, "You call this work? Well, maybe it is. All I know is that it suits me." Contemplated here means he was looking at thoughtfully. Tom looked thoughtfully at Ben for a while and then Tom said that you call this work? Well, for you it could be a work, but for me all I know is that it suits me. This work suits me. "Oh, come on, you don't mean to tell me you like it." Then Ben said to Tom that don't tell me you like this work. How often does a boy get a chance to whitewash a fence? Then Tom said to Ben, how often मतलब बहुत ही रेयरली किसी भी बॉय को एक फेंस वाइट वॉश करने को मिलता है. नो बॉय कुड गेट दिस वर्क ईजली. दैट पुट थिंग्स इन अ डिफरेंट लाइट. दिस स्टेटमेंट, टॉम की जो ये स्टेटमेंट थी, इसने पूरा जो सीन था उसे चेंज कर दिया. सिनेरियो चेंज हो गया. Ben was Tom artistically, sweeping his brush back and forth. Then Ben started watching Tom artistically. He watched Tom while he was working. Presently he said, "Say Tom, let me whitewash a little." Then Ben also seemed interested in that work and he asked to Tom that let him whitewash a little. Tom thought a bit and seemed about to consent, but then he altered his mind. Tom thought and he seemed like he wants to give Tom the brush, but then he had a second thought. He altered his mind and then said, "No, no," said Tom firmly. "I am afraid I can't. Aunt Polly is very particular. There is scarcely a boy in 1,000, maybe even 2,000 who can do it." Tom said to Ben that, "No, I can't give you. I am afraid. Aunt Polly is very particular about her work and rarely a boy who can do this work, maybe in 1,000 or even 2,000. "Oh, come on, let me just try," Ben said earnestly. I said to Tom, "Please let me try." "Ben, I would like to honestly, but Aunt Polly is particular. Jim wanted to do it, so did Sid, but she won't let them. If you were to tackle the fence and something were to happen to it, Then Tom said, honestly, I want to give you this brush, but Aunt Polly is particular. Jim and Sid also wanted to this work, but Aunt Polly did not give them the brush. So if you were going to do this work, you were going to whitewash the fence and something wrong happens to it, what will I do then? Oh Tom, I'll be very careful. Let me try please. In fact, I'll give you my apple. Then Ben said to Tom, I'll be very carefully, मैं बहुत केयरफुली करूँगा, प्लीज़ मुझे करने दो. इनफैक्ट मैं आपको अपना एप्पल भी दे दूँगा. I'll give you my apple also. Tom pretended to hesitate. Tom ने ऐसे pretend किया, he was showing off that he don't want to or he is hesitating. But then, with a doubtful expression on his face, which masked his inner glee, he gave Ben the brush. Then Tom gave the brush with a doubtful expression on his face, and this expression masked his inner satisfaction, or we can say inner happiness, because he did not wanted to whitewash, and so he is very happy, and then gave the brush to Ben. Next step in his plan was to entrap other innocents. Next step in Tom's plan was to entrap other innocents, other boys also, to do this work. There was no lack of material. Boys passing by stopped to peer and stared to whitewash. मटेरियल यानी कलेक्शंस और वी कैन से वेल्थ की कोई कमी नहीं थी. जो भी वहाँ पे द बॉयज़ पासिंग बाय, वो दे स्टॉप टू लुक, वो रुकते थे जस्ट पियर, बट दे स्टेड टू वाइट वॉश, लेकिन वो वाइट वॉश करने लगते हैं बिकॉज दे ऑल सीम इंटरेस्टिंग इन दैट वर्ड. Tom was soon rolling in wealth. Tom had so many things, and he had collected so many wealth. He had collected a kite, a dead rat on a string, 12 marbles, a couple of tadpoles, a key that won't lock, and a host of other things. He did not work, but soon the fence had 3 coats of whitewash on it. So, Ben had collected so many things, for example, a kite, a dead rat on a string, 12 marbles, couple of tadpoles, a key, and so many other things. And Tom also did not work, but fence had 3 coats of whitewash on it. Students, that's all for today. Now, what you have to do is, you have to fill these exercises by yourself, A, B, and C, and answer key will be provided, and if there is any mistake, so please make corrections. Okay? Now, that's all. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.